Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today we will be having something interesting. If you are somebody who is new to makeup and doesn't know what the hell to buy because there's so much and it's just mind-boggling when you enter Sephora or you enter a shop where you have a lot of makeup available, so you don't know if it's highlighter or blush or it's powder or it's I don't know what, and you don't know what to buy, this video is for you. Keep watching. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about 5 makeup essentials that you would need in order to survive the makeup. Yeah, survive the makeup, in order to see or in order to have a look where people know that you have a makeup on your face. Because again, we all cannot afford, what's up with my hair? We all cannot afford a lot of things at the same time, especially when we're about to start makeup, because there's so many things. Come on, there's highlighter, face powder, bronzer, there's foundation, there's eyeshadow, there's lipstick, there's lip liner, there's mascara. Oh my god, I can't breathe. There's so many things, and we don't know what to buy when we're new to makeup, or when we just want a few essentials just to survive, man. It's okay if I don't have everything. That's why you're gonna learn the 5 things that are needed to survive in the makeup world. So the first thing people notice about you is your face, the skin on it, how you look. Because usually if you have beautiful skin, don't apply foundation. Highly recommended, highly suggested and requested, don't apply foundation. Go for a moisturizer and keep it just clean as it is. But if you have a skin there which has a lot of blemishes, dark spots, a lot of pores, then or multicolored, because again, Asian people usually have that because of the exposure to the sun that we have. That's why you might need something that would correct and bring your skin to a singular shade so that your skin doesn't look uneven. I'm not saying anything bad in that. There is nothing bad in that. You can obviously adorn whatever you have. So an even toned skin is something that everybody wants to achieve. Therefore, what are the first things you would need? You have 2 options. You either go for a foundation or you go for a face powder. So you can choose from multiple brands and multiple types of foundation, matte or dewy or moisturizing or just plain translucent, just to give you that finish. It depends on what you want and what is your skin type. The second problem that we have is this eyes. The eyes are the most beautiful thing that people have, and eyes are the first thing that you notice in anybody. For the eyes, what you need is, you don't need to buy eyeshadows if you really don't want to invest into that. I wouldn't go into eyeshadows. I would give you options of 3 things, and you can choose out of them anything that you want, or all 3. Number 1 is kajal or kohl, or eye pencil as we call it, that you can apply in the waterline of your eyes. Right now, do I have any? I used to have a little. Okay, it's faded because I've been out. So you can either apply a kajal, you can either apply an eyeliner, you know. If you don't like kajal, you don't like to poke your eye with anything. Some people have that issue, so it's absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Apply an eyeliner as you want it. Or the third option, if you don't like an eyeliner, it's okay. You can go with a mascara. So it's either of the 3, and all 3 of them actually make a big statement in your eyes. The third thing that we need is, when you smile, when you talk to people, your cheeks move. Or when your jaw moves, your cheeks, you know, they have a little bit of motion. Therefore, you need something on your cheeks that doesn't make your face look very, very plain. The third option is either a blush. So you do need a blush. A blush is very important in this manner. And the fourth problem is our profile. When you have a profile, people, when they view you from the front, it's something, I mean, they know you how you look from here. People on the side, they usually notice your profile, right? For that, what you need is something that is noticeable, and that is usually your cheek, and that's your cheekbone as well. So you need a highlighter. Highlighter really saves your life because it gives you a very luminous, very beautiful, a dewy finish, and it gives you more sheen to your face and makes it more glowy. So if you need your face to be very, very glowy, fresh looking, so a blush and a highlighter really, really help. They really do. Trust me, they do. They do. And whatever shade you want, depending on your skin. Again, I'm not going to go into that. That's my bird. The last thing, and the last thing, obviously, you all know it, it's the lips. When you talk to people, people notice your lips besides your teeth. They notice your lips. You really need your lips to look very, very fresh. So if you have lips that are darker in shade naturally or very light in shade naturally, you obviously want to put a bit of color, and you have a range and a variety of choices. There is no good and bad in this at all. The lip shades now, what are you supposed to do with your lips? You have a lot of options. If you don't like anything shiny on your lips, then only go for mattifying lipsticks and go for lip pencils, the jumbo pencils that come in. You can fill your lip with them, and really that's enough for you. If you are someone who doesn't mind any kind of finish on the lips, whether it's glossy, whether it's matte, whether it is somewhere satin finish or velvety or glittery, I mean, that's nice. So you can go for moisturizing lipsticks. I think moisturizing lipsticks, I think, are the best ones, especially for people who have dry lips. I have dry lips. It's like a desert on my lips. So I really, really need to moisturize them before I apply any kind of lip product. Otherwise, my lips look like, I don't know, a parched piece of land, arid land. Not even kidding. Really, to me, that's how it is. So yeah. You can go for a lip gloss if you like. That's the easiest. I mean, come on, lip gloss. Or you can also go for something like liquid lipstick, something that is long staying. Another thing I want to mention in case of cheek, and we were talking about the cheekbones, the highlighter and the blush. You don't need to buy separate highlighter and separate blush. That might be expensive. I would suggest buy an eyeshadow palette that has mattes, that has glitter and, you know, shimmer shades, and at the same time metallic shades. Make sure those shades are mostly nude, and there should be a bit of reds and pinks in that eyeshadow as well. Why is that helpful? You can use that eyeshadow palette as an eyeshadow, as a blush, as a highlighter, so everything in one. And I think that is a very smart investment. You don't have to buy everything separately. And by the way, you might wonder I'm not mentioning brushes as the 5 essential things. There's a reason behind that. So the reason behind why I'm not mentioning makeup brushes is because you can apply all these products that I mentioned, except for the eye product, obviously. You can apply everything else with your fingers. You don't need makeup brushes. You don't need to invest into something very expensive. So there you go. I hope this video really, really helped you, and I hope you starting makeup will help you find out what are the first 5 essentials I should have if I'm starting makeup, or if I cannot afford everything, it's completely fine. Just get these 5 products and work around it. You will be an artist within no time. And yeah, that's that. I hope you guys liked the video. Please put a thumbs up and keep watching my videos and keep supporting, and thanks a lot. See you in the next video.